You can tell by the exterior look of this one. We got something right here, y'all. This house has been getting a lot of attention here at the show, and you're gonna see why, not only here from the outside, but also once we get in. They call this model the Emerald Sky. This home is a part of Champion Homes out of their Topeka, Indiana plant, a part of the Genesis brand. And yeah, they went ahead and really set this one up. This whole area, these are all Champion Homes. They have a lot of plants being represented here at the show. We are at the Louisville Manufactured Home Show. I just want you to see how massive those windows are. And you know, I just can't, it's just not really doing justice. I tell you what I can do. Been wanting to do this anyways. I don't know how much this will help, but we're gonna try it. It's just me out here, but put my gimbal right here and I'm gonna go stand kind of close to it so you can see just how small I'm gonna look. Obviously, I'm gonna be a little bit shorter. But yeah, I meant to have my microphone on so I could talk while I was over there, but I didn't have it on, I'm sorry. But yeah, I mean, just crazy, right? Those windows are massive. Same thing down here. Like you can see these are gonna be a little bit smaller, but look how much bigger these are. I mean, that's just one thing right off the bat I noticed. And you can really tell that from the inside as well. All right, we got water faucet there. Hey everyone, this video is sponsored by Champion Homes, one of America's leading builders of manufactured and modular homes. With hundreds of innovative models and retailers across the country, Champion specializes in a smarter way to build. We got the big roof pitch on this one. Got some windows over here on this side. Yeah, they've been having a lot of great things going on at the show, giving away a lot of stuff. So these homes are set up for retailers and community owners and people like that in the industry can come and look at them, place orders and all that good stuff. At Chance's Home World, we get the honor and privilege to tour them as well. I'm so thankful. Been doing a lot of videos with Champion over the years and they've been great. And it just continues on here already in 2026. Water faucet there, sliding door. So we got the black sliding door, black window package. When you was to order your home, you could do some differences as well. All right, we need to go ahead and get inside. We got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths coming in close to 1,700 square feet. They call this model, like I said, the Emerald Sky, quality modular home loaded with great options. We got a porch. I guess I should step up there, shouldn't I? Show you this porch. We got another electrical outlet. Buckle in, we're finna go for a ride. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video, for real, I appreciate it. Drop a like if you want, let's make it happen. All right, so we got a show-stopping exterior. Let's see what this inside's about. Look at that. As soon as you walk in, that is beautiful. Let's come in here and shut the door. So right here to the right, we've got some nice countertop space, some cabinets, and we've got a coat closet here, which is nice to see right here at your entryway. And then if we go over this way, ooh-wee, this is fancy. I like this a lot. I mean, first off, I like the archway that we have there, but then you come into your home office setup. I mean, we've got the desk area, cabinets up above, just beautifully laid out. Obviously, they do a fantastic job when they stage these homes here at the show. And then you got a nice little setting area here if maybe you're doing some work and you've got, I don't know, the spouse or a friend over or somebody helping you with something. It's not crammed in here at all. Lots of room. Now, just thinking, if you didn't want a home office, you obviously wouldn't have to get this, and you could turn this little area into something else if you wanted to. Just keep that in mind. Now, another archway. We're gonna head into the living room. They went with carpet here in this living room, but as always, you got different options with that as well. If you want to keep that same flooring that you have there and in the kitchen, just all throughout here, definitely could do so. Got to get over here and look at, is that Chance's something? No, just kidding. It's not Chance's Home World. We got the fireplace. mantle here. And so this right here is a solid piece that you have, and I'm assuming they're gonna have some different, oh, I toured that home. That's over in Michigan. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, you got, I'm sure, some other colors with that. Now look into the kitchen. I'm looking at the camera. That is a beautiful view that we have there. We've got the kitchen island plus the dining area. Which way y'all want to go? Let's go this way. We got 2 different cabinet colors. We've got Whirlpool appliances and a great amount of space right here. You can see the black pulls on both of these cabinets. Now, I've toured a lot of their homes over the years, so I'm sure there's other cabinet colors and backsplash, and I know there is, countertops and all that as well. We've got our lighting under the cabinets. I do like that. Got the range here and the built-in microwave, and this thing is big. That's a big microwave. And then back over this way, we've got our sink, we've got our dishwasher. And then obviously here with your sink, you're gonna have all your drain racks and everything that you need. Cutting board there, and you got the Springer faucet. Now let me come right here, I gotta get on this side. So we got 2 bar chairs, but these are really big. If you just had some bar stools or something, you could probably easily squeeze 3 in there. On down we go. You notice we're gonna have the white windows on the inside and they're black on the outside, same with the sliding door. And then here's the dining area. There's that side door, by the way, while I'm down here. So that's where you can come in every day. Like you got your breaker box covered there. What is this? This looks like this has got to be a pantry. Let me see, is it walking? Oh, let's see. Yeah. I mean, I could definitely go and get in there. All right, we're just gonna give a quick pantry dance on that one because, well, it is walk-in. I mean, look, you're in, right? I'm in. So, I mean, it's walk-in. Now, it's not enormous or anything, but it's actually just right. We've got 4 racks, and it's in a great location. That's a pantry, you guys. You never lose with having a pantry in your house. And then we got the laundry area here. Now, one thing I just noticed, or just thinking about, y'all be sure to drop comments along the way. I love that this area is secluded or off to itself instead of just like right there when you come in the door. So if you got people coming in, they're not walking right through your laundry room. I think that was a well thought out idea when it comes to making this floor plan. Washer and dryer spot, we got the hanging rod, we got some cabinets. Probably gonna be furnace and water heater, but let's be for sure. Yep, right here. Fantastic. What do you say we look at some bedrooms? Went with carpet here in these bedrooms as well. So I'm actually videoing this before the show has started, and I got a good opportunity to get in here and get it before people started coming in. And so I hadn't even had a chance to go down to the main bedroom and the main bath. So I really don't know exactly what that looks like. We're gonna get to explore that together. You know, here at the show, I can't obviously video every home. There's just not enough time. So I try to tour the ones that I like, and I love the exterior of this one. So I knew it was gonna be one we was gonna get. But yeah, haven't even seen that yet. So we'll get to take that on together. All right, I like this. We got just 1 sink, but lots of countertop space, and we still have 2 mirrors. That way, if you got a couple people in here getting ready in the morning, somebody's brushing their teeth, somebody's combing their hair, whatever the case may be, you still got plenty of room. That's nice. Raises up here, and then we got the shower tub combo. So as you can tell, this room is off the front section. I really, really like this one. From the exterior to the inside. I mean, don't you just feel like this seems like a sure enough everyday living house? Like, every day, I don't even make sense, I'm sorry. What I'm trying to say is like, you know, sometimes you see homes and they look great, but are they really something you could live in and live comfortably? And this one, I believe, is it, you know, for a medium-sized family. It's just right. Let's go into the main bedroom. I didn't really give you much of a look at this, so as we go in there, I'll show you this that we have. Wow. Right off the bat, they're throwing us for a loop. We've got some beautiful tray ceilings, big bedroom. I like that we have our lights all the way around, plus we got a light in our ceiling fan. Quickly over here, and we're going into the bath. 2 windows up above the bed. Looks like a lot of space in here. Where's the shower? Oh, wow. What's going on? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to look around, get an idea for a walk-in. Not gonna do it though, we're gonna do it together. Let's start off with the sinks right here. We got 2 sinks with the same cabinets that we had there in the kitchen. Light fixtures, mirrors are the same that we had in that other bath. And then look at our tub that we're gonna have here. Awesome. And it's you got a door right here that you can shut off for your shower, and where your commode is. That's great. So if somebody's in here taking a shower, but you need to get in here to brush the teeth or put the makeup on, something like that, you could definitely make that happen. We got some cabinets and drawers right there. Yeah, we have the commode area and we have the shower. You definitely have some options when it comes to this here in the shower. And then here is the closet. Now, y'all stick around right after the tour. I'm going to get into a lot of information about this manufacturer, this model, try to help y'all if you're in the market. We will go over estimated retail pricing and all that good stuff. So y'all going to do that here in just a second. Carpet in here, I like they did that. But this is just an overall big area right here. I like that a lot. What do you think about this one? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Share this video if you will with someone. I really would appreciate that. Now let's get into all that amazing info. So let's get into the outro, all information and everything. But first, I want to tell you once again that this video is sponsored by Champion Homes, one of America's leading builders of manufactured and modular homes with hundreds of innovative models and retailers across the country. Champion specializes in a smarter way to build. And yes, this home right here is manufactured by Champion out of their Topeka, Indiana plant. And it's a part of the Genesis series, which makes me think about the home that I toured there last year. If by chance you haven't seen it, here's the thumbnail. It's by the same manufacturer, same series, totally different model. This one's called the Little Sky. Now, and that also makes me think about the one I toured there the year before, which is the Big Sky. And here's the thumbnail of it. These are both on the channel. You will have to scroll back a little bit, but just, yeah, same manufacturer and different layouts. So some other cool homes you can see by them. But yeah, they called this model the Emerald Sky. 3 beds, 2 baths for 1,680 square feet. And yeah, I know I popped some text up, but so basically the inside of this home was finished. So I videoed the inside and then I did the outside like a couple days later actually. So that's why when I was talking on the outside, I already had been on the inside. And if all that makes sense. Anyways, and then I just put it all together. But yeah, at the time of recording the inside, there was a lot of unknown, which I always think is fun. for us to be able to tour them together. But all right, so you have your manufacturer. That's who we've been talking about. You, if you're buying this home for yourself, primary residence or whatever, second home or whatever the case may be, you would go through a retailer to get this house ordered, set up, financing, and everything, okay? Now, check out our link we'll have in the description. We'll have one that can give you a lot more information. It'll be in the description below, and I'll also have some information in the description as well. But yeah, you would go through someone. I always say local. You don't necessarily have to be local, but a lot of times retailers are only going to cover, so many miles outside of their location anyways. But I think it's great to have someone local that can take care of you, service you, and all that. So disclosed manufacturer, talked about the retailer. The only other thing I want to get into is some estimated retail pricing on this particular model, and we'll be done. Now, I kind of showed you a lot of those champion homes there. I got several of them, okay? So stay tuned to the channel. More will be on the way. Now, this pricing, it's going to be a range like I always give. For those of you that are new viewers, I'm not personally selling these homes. I'm just showing them off. But I love to provide something for y'all so you have just general idea. But when it comes to these modular homes like this, there's so many unknowns, and every state has different codes and fees and stuff like that. Then we got freight charges, just a lot of things we're unable to know exactly here in the video. But I want to give you something. It'll be a range. It'll be for at the time of recording. Keep that in mind. And it's right here up above me. All right, that's the Emerald Sky. So yeah, I just put that together. We got the emerald sky, the big sky, the little sky. What's going to be next year? The blue sky? I don't know. Drop a comment. What should be the next sky model? All right, I'll see you on the next tour. Y'all take care. God bless you all.